What's up, beautiful people? It's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving you guys my very first twist out. I've never done one before and I'm so excited, more excited than afraid. I am kind of scared it's not going to turn out right, but we'll find out. I am going to be doing that after I get out of the shower. I just needed to make my intro, but make sure you guys hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, because I know I'm going to forget to say it at the end, and subscribe to my channel and join the family. I am out the shower. As you can see, I washed my hair. I don't know if I was supposed to do that or not, but this is what my hair is looking like right now. Pretty fluffy and soft. I don't really know anything, but I figured I needed to wash it because it's been some weeks now. Let me show you guys the products that I will be using. Black castor oil eco styling gel works the best on my hair when I want to define and curl it, so I always make sure I got this. Got some Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. Let me go ahead and I guess grab the first piece and get it going.
Basically, all I'm gonna do is just part my hair into 2 sections and get started with the twist. Very self-explanatory. I don't even know why I'm doing a voiceover, but here you go. I promise you, this Cantu smells delicious. Do not murder me in the comment section. To be completely honest, I did not know how much of each product I should be using. I just did it to the best of my ability and what I felt like was right.
Let me show you guys the first twist that I've actually done. Here we go. So this is the first one, and I also seen on videos that you don't need to use any rubber bands, that you can just coil your finger around the bottom of the twist to lock in the curl, which that worked. I guess I don't need a trim, because if I did need a trim, then you'd be able to tell. But this is the first twist. This is what it's looking like.
As you can see, there's a lot of product on my hair, so what I did is I grabbed a small towel and I basically just went through my head where I seen a lot of white spots and just like kind of damped the towel in there to get rid of some of that, because I didn't want all that product in my hair. I didn't want it to weigh it down.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I am finished twisting out my whole head. I know some of them are uneven, some are smaller than others, some are bigger than others. I was really just parting and going. But I hope it really shouldn't matter. They aren't too big of a difference in size. But this is what I'm looking like. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay guys, it's the next morning and I took my bonnet off. I slept with my bonnet on and they're all dry. So I think it's time to take these out. For some reason, why am I thinking these are not going to be curly? Does twist out even work? Oh my god. It works. Oh my god, it's actually, my hair is actually curly. Oh my god. And this is my first twist out, so I'm like so shocked. Like, what? Okay, y'all, this is my first one. What are you looking at? And it's so soft. And it's so moisturized. Like, yes. so this is what I'm looking like after taking out the twist. I have yet not like actually like see like this is one twist, but I haven't yet like unraveled them, like take them apart like this. See, to make them smaller. I'm gonna do that now, and I'm not gonna record it for the sake of this video. I want to keep the video short. I'm just doing the same thing, so I really don't want to just waste camera time like that. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take each section and I'm gonna unravel them and make them smaller like this, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm ready to pick them out and style them. Alright guys, so this is what I'm looking like after I unwind all of them. I wish my puff was bigger. I gotta work on getting my hair bigger and growing. Now I'm just gonna basically take this pick. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I think I wanna wear it like this, but then I think I wanna wear a side part. I'm not sure. I don't know, I might just keep it like this. And I'm basically gonna go through and just pick it like that, just make it bigger. Also, what I'm going to do is take my Eco Styling Gel and I'm going to go through and define some of these curls. See how this kind of poofy? Then you got one like this that look kind of curly. I'm going to go through with my Eco Styling Gel and like define the ones like this at the end. So alright guys, so basically I styled it and sorry. I feel like this is too dark. But this is what I'm looking like. I think it's okay. I'll do better in the future, and then when my hair grows, because I really like, I've seen like girls do twist outs and they have tons of hair and their hair is like out there. But I went natural about 2 or 3 years ago, so I think I'm doing good. But this is my first twist out, and this is how I'm gonna style it. This is how I'm gonna wear it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the family, because like, why not? So comment down below what you guys think about it. But, okay guys, I love you so much, and I don't know what else to say. Just comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I don't know, maybe I look so dry because I don't wear makeup. I look so plain. I don't know, still pretty. Bye.
But I don't wanna come back down. I'm light as a feather, weightless just like air. I hear the world calling.